Vision is crucial for any home renovation, and it's a step where many homeowners need guidance. Our client for this Jersey City renovation came to us with a beautiful vision and knew exactly what she wanted: to create a stronger connection between her inside living space and her beloved garden. She just wasn't sure how best to make it work. Through the design process, Houseplay transferred her vision first to paper and then to reality. The true power of this project was one woman's choice to reclaim her home and put herself first. This was her act of saying, "This is my home, and out of all the projects I could do, this is the one that brings me the most joy. I'm going to gift this to myself first." Inspired by modern English conservatories attached to historic homes, we began by replacing a small window and door in the kitchen with a beautiful bump-out bay window that overlooks the yard. In the dining room, we added a set of French doors that opened to a brand new deck with a pergola. These changes have truly brought the outdoors inside, even on a cold winter's morning. Here's what our client had to say. "I cried happy tears the day my project was complete. It is just stunning. I had a vision for what I wanted to do, and Tammy and Veronica got the intention behind what I thought was a crazy idea right away. They seemed just as excited about it as I was, and I felt heard and inspired." Niall is a meticulous and gifted craftsman and a creative problem solver. And because the project moved so efficiently thanks to John's scheduling, I always had something new to look forward to when I came home. Overall, everyone on the Houseplay team exceeded my expectations, and my new space brings me joy and peace every day. Are you waiting to renovate because you're unsure of how to make your vision work? We specialize in renovating historic homes in Jersey City, and we offer vision and planning sessions to help you answer questions just like this. Let's schedule a time to talk. We would love to help you.